Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.